planet Earth, the only known planet that contains life.
About 80,000 bees.
80,000 bees. Oh my God.
Nature.
It's incredible.
Especially the springtime right now. It's just absolutely stunning.
The earliest forms of life existed around 3.7 billion years ago. We have existed maybe 0.001% of that time.
Anybody studying coral reefs now is more writing an obituary.
Earth has experienced mass extinctions.
It's quiet.
It's quite quiet, yeah.
Asteroid strikes, extreme climate changes before, and recovered in new forms with new species. So while it's a given that nature will persevere, it's not a given that we will. That's up to us.
How do we intervene to make a better future?
We have to have more solutions, not only one.
It's amazing, the little worm that can actually dissolve plastic.
I'm staying optimistic that we will be able to preserve the natural beauties of the world.